The first time I arrived here, it was, wow, this is a big, huge campus.
The campus is impressive, it's pretty big. You can do lots of things on the campus and also outside. You can do sports next to the lake.
I chose actually microengineering because of robotics. What I like with robotics is the diversity of things you can do with it. I found it so amazing to see all those little robots everywhere doing so many different things.
You can do so many things. It's applied physics, it's mechatronic, and all of that is condensed in one product.
One of my semester projects was at the hydro contest competition. So the hydro contest project was a nice fit for robotics because there were many electronics aspects and also control aspects linked to the boat. So basically the boat was an unstable system and we had to produce an algorithm that would stabilize the boat, and those are concepts that are used every day now in robotics. This was, I think, one of the greatest experiences I had at EPFL.
If you really want to be able to see all the facets that are in a robot, then this is definitely the kind of masters that would be for you, because you get to see all the different aspects from the bottom up.
You can take courses that are more on the research side, where you have a scientific report to write, but you can also take some courses that are more industry-oriented.
You are able, with this master, to learn something and put it in practice right away.
You weren't just sitting behind a desk all semester, you were actually learning to do something. You were coding, you were applying, you were testing, you were seeing what was feasible, what wasn't, what works and what doesn't.
So what motivated me to become active in entrepreneurship during my studies was just the fact that I was spending half of my time working for EPFL and the other half working on other projects. So what we are developing at Motion Pilots is a remote control for drones that works with hand motion. Being able to pilot a drone with hand motion makes the interaction much more intuitive.
I ended up going more into educational robotics. So that was working on having kids that had problems with their handwriting practice their handwriting on a tablet in order to teach a robot how to write.
For the Master of Robotics, you have to do an internship, and had the chance to make mine at Robotics, which is an NGO. Basically, what we were developing is a system that you can attach below a drone and that will release mosquitoes. It's a modified type of mosquito which are carrying the bacteria Wolbachia, and that can reduce the probability of transferring dengue and Zika by 80%. Robotics is just tools that you can give to the society, and that's the role of the engineer in robotics, is to help building these tools and the good tools.